guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I did these really cute nails. I'm also going to show you guys how I mixed up this glitter that you see on my two nails. It's really easy, super simple. Love how these nails came out, and yeah, they're just bomb. So if you guys want to see how I created these nails, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys everything I'm using. So first I'll need this jar, and then also I'm going to be using this glitter that I got from Walmart. Also, I'm going to be using these little flakes that I got from Born Pretty store. And then this pack of foil confetti that I also got from Walmart. And then I'm going to be using some of my Eye Candy Cosmetics glitters. And of course, I'm going to need some clear acrylic, and this is from Glam and Glitz. Okay, so first I'm going to start off by putting some of the acrylic into the jar. I'm not measuring out anything, I'm really just eyeballing it. And I'm using a nail that I have glued to this stick to put it in there. I'm going to start mixing in my glitters, and I'm starting off with these purple. They're like little circles. I got these from Walmart, and they were about 97 cents. I'm not exactly sure, but I'll have them listed below. And then I'm going to go ahead and throw in those flakes from Born Pretty store. And I'm just throwing in a little bit of this glitter from Eye Candy Cosmetics. And of course, throwing in these flakes. Super easy, honestly, guys. I was just eyeballing it to see like how much I needed, and it just turned out really cute, and it wasn't hard to do at all. And now I'm just throwing in some more acrylic. Okay, so what happened was I was going to buy some glitter acrylic from Glam and Glitz, but then I was like, hold up, let me go and mix up a little something, and it actually ended up working out. So you guys are seeing me doing this a lot here on my channel. And then I'm just going to put the lid on and mix it up. And I did this jar from Walmart as well. So first I'm going to start with putting some of this acrylic on one of my nails, because I want to do like a half nail type design. And I'm using Glam and Glitz light blush. And I'm just putting that pretty much just on the nail bed. Now I'm just going to dip inside the glitter acrylic that I made, and I'm going to put that on the tip of this nail. So it's pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory. I just put it on the tip and blended it back a little so that it was a nice little gradient effect going on. But I think this glitter came out really good. You can't even tell that I made it. It looks pretty legit. And I feel like the gold flakes that are in there gave it like a nice pop instead of it just being all purple. I just love it. And now I'm just going to go ahead and encapsulate that nail using my clear acrylic, because you don't want to foul into the glitters or even into that cover color. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that. And pretty easy, like I said in my last video, the Glam and Glitz acrylic I find to be really easy to use. Absolutely my favorite so far. Okay, and for my middle nail, I'm going to do like a clear nail, and then I'm going to add some of those foils that I got from Born Pretty store. But they're not foils, but like those little flakes. I'm going to add those to these nails and like a swirly motion. You guys will see, but I didn't want to do a bunch of purple nails, so this one's going to be a clear nail. And I'm just applying a thin layer of clear onto this nail. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dip my brush into the clear acrylic and then dip into those flakes, and I'm just going to put it on there and like a swirly motion. You guys will see, but that's pretty much what I'm doing now. It's just kind of hard to see with the lighting and everything, but I'm just doing like a swirl. And I'm just going to apply that to my middle fingers. And then I'm just going to go over that. Okay, now you can see it a little bit. I want to go over that with clear just to encapsulate that so I can file it later. Okay, so for this finger, I'm going to do a full glitter nail. So you're just going to see me applying the acrylic all over the nail. And I'm just making sure to put it on there pretty heavy so that it's not like clear. I want it to be pretty full with glitter. So that's what you see me doing now. And I'm just trying to make it really nice and crisp around the cuticle area. So that's what you guys see me doing now. And now I'm just going to go ahead and encapsulate that nail using my clear acrylic. So for my thumb and my pinky, I'm going to go ahead and use this gel polish from Born Pretty store. I will go ahead and put the name below for you guys. But these polishes are bomb, super pigmented, just so good for the price. I do suggest that you check it out. And now I'm just applying my second coat. Honestly, you only need 2 coats with this. The pigmentation is just so good. This was less than $5, you guys. Like, I'm just obsessed. You guys will see these gel polishes a lot on my channel because I bought a lot of colors. I'm just going to apply my top coat. I'm using my IBD Intense Seal No White top coat. And I'm also going to apply, I think this is like builder gel, but I'm using this to apply my stones down. And I did get these stones from Born Pretty store. I will have them linked below. And the picker I got from Hobby Lobby, and I actually really like it, you guys. Pickers can be really pricey, but this one's like $5 and it works really good, unlike the one I got from Sally's. You guys do not buy the one from Sally's. What a waste of money. But yeah, I'm just using this to put my stones down, and you guys, this stuff held my stones down so good. And then I'm going to go ahead and cure that under my nail lamp. And now I'm just going to go ahead and apply top coat to all of my other nails so you guys can see how cute this glitter is. And just obsessed. And once I applied the top coat on this middle finger, I think you can really see how cute it is. It's really simple, but it's just like that little pop of just glam that I just love. I would love a full set like this. I do want to do like an all like gold full set. I don't know. It's in my head. I'm going to try to put it out there. But yeah, just so cute. And that glitter acrylic is just popping. I absolutely love the way it came out. Like, I'm never buying acrylic glitter again. I can just make my own, and just so cute. So now I'm just going to cure that. And you guys, these are the finished nails. Like, just so cute. And I typically don't like dark nails on me. Like, that purple's a little dark, but you know what, it's just stepping out of my comfort zone for 2020. Okay, I just love it. Just really cute, really simple, very beginner friendly. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.